What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today, man, we got a $890 Soul Supremacy beater box. 890 bucks. So it was $850 plus the $40 shipping from Soul Supremacy out in California. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a complete mystery box full of kicks. Don't know what's inside of it. Any random size, condition, brand, make, model, whatever. Just all we know is they're built to make profit. So that's what we, hope to turn a profit on every box. $890 box, man. I'm kind of, you guys know I'm more like the $500 to $700 range, but this is what I got this week. So I ain't mad at it, man. They've been rocking. They've been going hard for me all year. They've been doing really well for me all year. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Hopefully have some. I already see something I never got in a box. Alright, be in there. I already see something I've never gotten in a box. I've been seeing it in some of the other guys' boxes. I guess I wasn't spending enough bread with them to send me some merchandise. I don't know, man. I got a size extra large Soul Supremacy hoodie. This is actually some pretty good quality stuff too. Soul Supremacy hoodie, size extra large. Actually my size right now. Well, it kind of varies on hoodies. I wear either 1X or 2X on hoodies depending on the thickness of it. So I might have to try this on. I might give it away. If I can't fit it, somebody will probably get that. Alright, I got a lot of shoes without boxes. And I got another hoodie back down here. And no, this is not a hoodie. Look like the Soul Supremacy shorts. So I got some Soul Supremacy shorts. I don't think this, I'm sure that, I know they tweeted, they say like the clothing and free slides and all that stuff that they put in boxes is free. Like it doesn't add or take away from the value of this box. So these are a size extra large also. I know for sure I ain't gonna be able to fit these. They some shorts, so I'm not wearing 1X shorts. I probably can fit them, but that's not how your boy rocking. So with these right here, I'll be giving them away. You guys know, well, you guys probably don't know if you ain't never ordered nothing from me. If you order something from me through Instagram or YouTube or something like that, most of the time I throw in like a hat, some socks, because I don't do a lot of giveaways on the channel. So when you guys do order something, I always throw in something in the box. And so whoever orders something from this box, if you order something from this box, I'll probably just throw in these shorts with it. So there you go. Somebody knows what they're getting. Most of the time it's just a random pair of Stance Nike socks or a fitted cap or something I just throw in to show y'all my appreciation instead of doing giveaways. That's just how I've been doing it. Alright, man, back to the shoes. Let me start off how we always start off. We got a pair of the Element React 55s. These are a size 8.5. And I like this colorway. These shoes are mad comfortable too. I have a pair that are still DS. Well, I can't say DS because I tried them on, I guess. I don't know. I have a pair and they're really comfortable, man. Really comfortable. I'll be rocking mine to the gym. If these was my size, I probably would keep these. I like this color. I think they call soft yellows. These are soft yellows. I've never seen these in the store, but I caught them on the GOAT app when I was looking for me a pair of new workout shoes. No box on these. Really good condition though. Size 8.5. We got an Ultra Boost. No box on these, of course. Size 13. So we got some big Ultra Boosts. Look like the Undefeated collab they did. Check out the bottom. A little dirty on the bottom, but the uppers are really clean. Check them out. Size 13. Ultra Boosts are still arguably one of the most comfortable shoes like ever, man. Alright, I think that does it for the shoes without boxes. Yep. First off, we got a Jordan 1, size 9. on this. We got Royals. Royal ones. This video already at 5 minutes. Let me try to hurry up and get through this. We check them out. Royal ones have a little creasing, but you know, ones you can kind of beat up and they still look dope. This is the 2013 or 2012 release with the extra laces in the box. Size 9 on those. Royal still holds some pretty good value. Not mad at that. I don't know the value of those Ultra Boosts. I know those Reacts. I know they like maybe 55, 60 bucks. We got a Jordan 11. It's another size 9. I guess you guys know what that is. We got Breads. We'll probably be seeing these a lot in beater boxes since they re-dropping this year. These are pre-owned. But man, check them out. They're not too bad at all. Very clean. Show you guys the other one. Like they have replacement laces in them because I know Breads don't come with the red tips on them. And I got the original laces right here. So whoever gets these will have 2 pair of laces. 23 on the back, a little bit of heel creasing. Size 9. This box is starting off alright. Breads and Royal ones. Put that back together later. Alright, we got 4 more pair. Got a good old brown box special down there. Another size 9. I'm getting all size 9s. Steel 10s. These are pre-owned also. Pretty clean. Do have a little bit of creasing right in here. Steel 10s. Size 9. Check out the bottom. Boom. One of the best 10 colorways, OG colorways. What else we got? What else we got? Another size 9. So I guess I got somebody's whole collection right here of size 9s, man. Maroons, I just posted these on the IG. I just posted some of these on Instagram. Maroon 6 is highly slept on. Nike Air on the back. I mean, when this shoe came out, I thought it was gonna sell out instantly. I went to the mall like a week later and they were still up for sale. These are dope. Maroon 6s are hard. I don't see lace locks though, so that is unfortunate. And on this one, it looked like a ink stain or something right there. I'm gonna see if I can get that out. I'm not sure what that is right there. I don't see any lace locks though. Let me look real quick. Oh, I do got lace locks. Alright, so these do come with the lace locks. Wanted to let y'all know before the video ended. Got 2 left. Another size 9. Aqua 8s. This box is killing it with the OG stuff. Got some OG Jordans all in this box. Aqua 8s. Boom. This is about a glitter on the bottom. Tell this is the later release. Check them out. My phone is ringing somewhere. Oh. Boom. Alright, my bad. Cancel that. Alright, here we go. Last box up. We got a 350. I'm assuming it's gonna be a size 9. No. Actually, my size 10.5 on the 350s. Oh. Alright. I don't know if I have had these. We still have the Adidas on the inside. We have the blue tints pre-owned. Take them out the box. Check out the bottom. The boost is a little dirty right here, but size 10.5. These are gonna seal very fast. The size alone, there's so many people who I know rocking 10.5. Just hitting my DM, what you got in the 10.5? What you got in 10.5? So these will probably sell really fast. This is guaranteed probably the money shoe of the box, but this was not a bad box, man. I noticed the beater box has kind of been up and down lately. A lot of people been saying that in the comments and everything, but for me, man, like I said, I'm happy with it. They've been doing all right for me. So this box was full of OG kicks, and I'm glad these are a 10.5 and not a 9. But overall, not a bad box. Plus a little bit of free merch. Hopefully I can fit this hoodie. One of you guys, whoever orders something from this box, first person who orders something from this box, I'll probably be getting that, unless they watch this video and tell me not to send those and want some socks or something instead. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for the $8.90 box. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Should be another box coming in, so there will be another video going up soon. And I still got another video I need to get out to you guys too. Trying to figure out how I want to do this sneaker collection video. It's gonna be short because I told y'all before my sneaker collection is trash, but you guys keep asking for it, so trying to figure out how I want to do it and get that organized properly. It's only like 30 pair, maybe anywhere between 30 and 40 pair. It's supposed to be 25, but your boy been a little bit irresponsible in keeping more shoes than I should. But and just adding stuff, man. If you follow me on Instagram, you see I just got those Huaraches, those royal blue, them LA joints. Hard. I wasn't even supposed to be buying those shoes, but anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, man. $890 box. Let me know down below if you're watching this video, you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, eBay at TGOTSOLE, and that's it. I'm out. Peace.